When launching Windows Security, you may encounter a change alert prompting the need for a new application to open the Windows Defender link. Now, if you face this issue, here's what you can do. Firstly, try resetting the Windows Security application. Do it by launching the PowerShell with administrator rights and run the following command. Then, restart your machine, go to Windows Security, and check if you're still getting the same alert. For the next fix, use PowerShell to register all application packages. Now, these commands to use may vary depending on your Windows version. Like for an example, if you're running the Windows 11, here are the commands you should run one by one. While if you're running the Windows 10, you need to run the following commands. Then, relaunch your Windows Security and check for the results. But if you're still getting the same prompt, restart your computer and then try again. And lastly, make sure to update your Windows Security and your operating system to the latest version. Do that by going to Settings, click on Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Now you have to wait until your computer installs the latest updates and then restart your machine. Now that's what you should do in managing this Windows error code in your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.